This video tutorial will walk you through how to apply to jobs in Handshake. To start, you'll need to add some documents to your profile. Click your profile icon, click Documents, then click Select from your computer. Here we're going to upload a resume PDF. It's always better to upload a PDF versus a Word document, otherwise Handshake will convert your Word document to a PDF for you and could cause errors in the formatting. Give it an appropriate name for the job you're applying for, then click Add Document. You'll see a preview. It's now uploaded, so you can now return to your Documents page. Now let's add a cover letter. Make sure the appropriate document type is selected, and then click Select from your computer. Again, select your PDF file. Give it an appropriate name so you can find it when you're ready to apply, then click Add Document. Here's your preview. Go back to the Documents page and you'll see your resume and cover letter have been added to your documents. Now let's attach these to a job application. Go to the Jobs tab. Here I'm going to click On Campus to find an on-campus job. Click on a position. Click the title to find all the information out about this opportunity. Click Apply. You'll see drop-downs for the 2 documents that are required for this position. For the resume, select your resume that you've uploaded. You'll notice this job requires other required documents, something different than a cover letter. Read the description to find out what's required. Once you have it written and saved as a PDF, select it. Once it's ready, click Preview Document to make sure it converted appropriately. And here you can see your short answers. Close the additional tab, and then you're ready to submit your application.